Welcome to today's classic car quiz. If you love vintage rides from the golden era of the 1970s, you're in the right place. Get ready. 15 iconic classics are coming your way. 1. Is this 70s muscle classic? A. 1971 Dodge Charger SE. B. 1973 Pontiac Trans Am 455. C. 1976 Ford Torino Elite. D. 1974 Chevrolet Nova SS. Correct. Answer B. 1973 Pontiac Trans Am 455 2. A. 1975 Buick Electra 225. B. 1972 Chrysler Newport. C. 1977 Mercury Marquise Brougham. D. 1978 Oldsmobile 98 Regency. Correct. Answer D. 1978 Oldsmobile 98 Regency 3. Identify this classic pickup. A. 1974 Ford F-150 Ranger. B. 1976 GMC Sierra Classic. C. 1978 Dodge Power Wagon. D. 1977 Chevrolet C10 Silverado. Correct answer C. 1978 Dodge Power Wagon 4. Which 70s sports car is this? A. 1972 Datsun 240Z. B. 1975 Triumph TR6. C. 1978 Mazda RX-3 Coupe. D. 1974 Porsche 914. Correct answer A. 1972 Datsun 240Z 5. Is this 70s luxury coupe? A. 1973 Lincoln Mark 4. B. 1975 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. C. 1976 Buick Riviera. D. 1974 Oldsmobile Toronado Brougham. Correct answer A. 1973 Lincoln Mark 4 or 6. Which station wagon is this? A. 1971 AMC Matador Wagon. B. 1976 Chevrolet Caprice Estate. C. 1974 Ford Pinto Wagon. D. 1973 Dodge Monaco Wagon. Correct. Answer B. 1976 Chevrolet Caprice Estate. 7. Identify this European classic. A. 1977 BMW 320y E21. B. 1975 Volvo 242 DL. C. 1979 Saab 99 Turbo. D. 1974 Mercedes-Benz 280 CE. Correct. Answer C. 1979 Saab 99 Turbo 8. What American compact is this? A. 1974 Chevrolet Vega GT. B. 1976 Ford Pinto Sedan. C. 1978 AMC Spirit. D. 1973 Dodge Colt. Correct answer A. 1974 Chevrolet Vega GT9. Which classic pony car is shown? A. 1972, Ford Mustang Grande. B. 1977, Chevrolet Camaro, LT. C. 1975, Pontiac Firebird Formula. D. 1973, Dodge Challenger SE. Correct answer, C. 1975, Pontiac Firebird Formula. 10. Identify this rare 70s sports coupe. A. 1976, Lancia Beta Coupe. B. 1974, Alfa Romeo GTV 2000. C. 1978, Fiat 131 Racing. D. 1973, Opel Manta Luxus. Correct answer, B. 1974, Alfa Romeo GTV 2011. A. 1975, Lincoln Continental Town car. B. 1978, Chrysler New Yorker, Brougham. C. 1973, Cadillac Fleetwood, Brougham. D. 1976, Buick LeSabre. Limited. Correct answer, C. 1973, Cadillac Fleetwood, Brougham. 12. Identify this compact Japanese car. A. 1977, Honda Accord, hatchback. B. 1974, Toyota Corona Mark II. C. 1975, Mazda 808 Coupe. D. 1978, Datsun 310GX. Correct answer, A. 1977, Honda Accord, hatchback. 13. Which 70s off-road SUV is this? A. 1971, Toyota Land Cruiser, FJ40. B. 1978, Jeep Cherokee Chief. C. 1976, Ford Bronco Ranger. D. 1974, International Scout 2. Correct answer, B. 1978, Jeep Cherokee Chief. 14. What muscle sedan is this? A. 1972, Dodge Coronet Custom. B. 1975, Chevrolet Malibu Classic. C. 1978, Ford LTD Landau. D. 1974, Pontiac Le Mans Sport. Correct answer, D. 1974, Pontiac Le Mans Sport. 15. A. 1975, Rover P. 63500. B. 1973, Jensen Interceptor 3. C. 1977, MG MG BGT. D. 1972, Triumph Stag. Correct answer, B. 1973, Jensen Interceptor 3. How many did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments. And subscribe so you never miss our next vintage challenge.